about my favorite setting mist from the drugstore. This is the Essence Keep It Perfect Makeup Fixing Spray. I'm done doing my makeup and I'm going to use it like I usually would, but I love this setting spray. It has hydrating ingredients. It has hyaluron, which is amazing. It keeps my skin like super moisturized throughout the day. I always have this like in my bag for like when I feel like my skin is like very dry throughout the day. I reapply this and my makeup looks like dewy. It looks perfect. It makes my makeup last all throughout the night if I'm going out. So it comes in a little bottle like this, which is perfect for traveling or keep it in your bag, and I'm just going to apply it. So I usually just apply it like that, and I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. So yeah guys, that's how I usually apply my setting spray. I literally love this. You can't get a better setting spray from the drugstore than this, so definitely check it out. You won't regret it, and yeah, make your makeup last all day with this setting spray.